Today, we're diving into the golden world of turmeric, the super spice that's probably sitting in your kitchen right now. But, are you getting the most out of it? Stick around as we uncover the health benefits of turmeric and show you the right way to use this powerful spice. First off, let's talk health benefits. Turmeric isn't just a spice, it's a superfood. It's packed with curcumin, a compound that's been linked to reducing inflammation, fighting off free radicals, and even boosting brain function. But here's the catch. Curcumin isn't easily absorbed by our bodies. To unlock its full potential, you need a little help from our friends, fat and black pepper. Yes, you heard that right. Adding turmeric to dishes with a healthy fat source like coconut oil, olive oil or ghee, and a dash of black pepper, can increase curcumin absorption by a whopping 2,000%. Now that's getting the most bang for your buck. Now, before we move on to the kitchen, we want to take a moment to connect with you, our amazing viewers. If you're enjoying this video and want more health tips and tricks, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us to create more content that you love. Plus, we'd love to hear from you. Have you used turmeric before? What's your favorite way to incorporate this super spice into your meals? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Remember, this is more than just a channel. It's a community where we learn and grow together. Alright, let's get back to the magic of turmeric. Now let's get cooking with turmeric, but not just any recipes. We're talking about ones that ensure you're maximizing turmeric's health benefits. First up, a classic turmeric latte, also known as golden milk. Warm, soothing, and incredibly beneficial for your health. Start with your choice of milk, add a teaspoon of turmeric, a dash of black pepper, a bit of honey for sweetness, and bring to a simmer. Not only does it taste amazing, but it's also your ticket to a healthier lifestyle. Turmeric doesn't stop at lattes. Let's spice up breakfast with a turmeric-infused scrambled eggs. Just sprinkle some turmeric and pepper onto your eggs before cooking them in a pan with a bit of oil. Simple, right? And for dinner, a turmeric and pepper seasoned chicken that will make your taste buds dance. Remember, turmeric is versatile. From smoothies to soups, adding it with a bit of fat and black pepper can transform any dish into a health-boosting meal. So there you have it, folks. Turmeric, the golden spice that's not only about color and flavor but also about incredible health benefits. Remember the golden rule. Pair it with fat and black pepper to truly unlock its magic. Thanks for joining me on this spicy adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks in the kitchen. Keep cooking and stay healthy.